Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch to Strava, making it an easy guide. First, ensure both the Huawei Health app and the Strava app are installed on your smartphone. You will also need active accounts for both services to proceed smoothly. This setup allows your workout data to transfer effortlessly, keeping all your fitness achievements in one convenient place. To begin, launch the Huawei Health application on your smartphone and confirm your Huawei Watch is successfully paired. It is important that your watch is also synchronized, ensuring all recent activity data is up to date within the Health app. Make sure your watch has ample battery life, ideally at least 30%, to prevent any interruptions during the linking process. This preparation ensures a smooth connection. From the main screen of your Huawei Health app, tap the Me tab located at the bottom right. Next, find Privacy Management and then select Data Sharing and Authorization. Scroll through the listed third-party services until you locate Strava. Tap on it, and you will be directed to authorize the connection by granting all requested permissions. This step securely links your accounts. After connecting, open your Strava app to verify that your activities are now appearing. It may take a few minutes, perhaps up to 5, for the first synchronization to complete successfully. If you encounter any problems, ensure both your Huawei Health and Strava applications are fully updated. A simple restart of your smartphone and Huawei Watch can often resolve common, minor connection issues, ensuring your data flows freely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.